Hi everyone, this course is only for genius, for someone who like to learn the most two popular programming languages in the world at the same time. Golang via Python for absolute beginners. We will start by introduction, learn the characteristics and use cases for Go and Python, local setup, learn data types and variables, strings, logic and bit operations, control flow, conditional blocks, control flow loops. After that, we will see some specification for Python as lists, tuples, sets and dictionaries, some specification for Go like arrays, slice, maps, pointers, structs, methods and interfaces. We will learn also functions and exceptions for both of them, and finally some quizzes and exercises.